Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga and Fitness Fun. I'm Van Goss and today's workout is all about HIIT. What is HIIT? HIIT is the acronym for High Intensity Interval Training. For example, you do 30 seconds of jumping jacks and 10 seconds of rest. You can mix it up and make it your own. We are going to be doing 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off, which means we're going to do 30 seconds of whatever the exercise is, and we're going to do 10 seconds of rest. Let's get into it. Let's warm our bodies up with arm circles starting out. Make a big circle, tiny circle, big circle. Just step out side to side. Bigger and tiny circle. There you go. Arm swings. Swing it, bring the leg up. Because we have got to warm up for this workout. High intensity interval training is no joke. It's all good and it's challenging, and that's the good news. And march it out. Reach, 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 reach. Now give me that jump rope. Here we go. Turn it. And back to center. Turn it. And back to center. One leg, other leg, and alternate. Jump, 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 jump. Good. Now, keep that pep in your step and inhale it up. Exhale down. Inhale it up. Exhale down. Beautiful. Inhale and exhale down. Now let's bring both legs out and let's lunge it right here, side to side. This is really going to be a fun workout. Bring it right here, twist it. And bring it down, other hand, twisting. Excellent. Let's get into it. Yeah! First up, froggy jumps. Come on down, onto the toes, and when you're ready, did you hear my knees snap, crackle, pop? And we are going to jump for 30 seconds. And let's go. Keep going. Woo. And rest it. 10 seconds. 10. 1. Next up is walking the dog. Walking the dog, or we could have the dog running. Let's go. What? Hold it. And let's go. Running dog. Keep going. And rest it. High five, high five, high five. Excellent job. The next one gonna be starfish jumps. Starfish jumps. You're just gonna bring it down and then jump, okay? Whew. Whew. 10 seconds. Maybe 15. Phew. Pat on the back, pat on the back, pat on the back. Okay, the next one is called the gorilla shuffle. Ready? Okay, come over a little bit to the side. And so you're gonna bring it like this, 1, 2, like a gorilla. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3 to the side. You can shuffle any way you want. Oh. Okay. My legs feel like a chihuahua. I had to make the 30 seconds on that one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try it again. All right. And gorilla shuffle. Let's go. Oh. 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 And woo. No. Don't tell me. 10 seconds are up. Our next one is run like a cheetah. Fast. All right? 30 seconds. Let's go. High five me. That was nice. Boom. Proud of you. Brilliant, brilliant. Okay. The last one is crab walk. Let's go. Crab walk. Ready? Now, you can do it on your mat where you go forward and back, or just go around the room. Okay? Let's rock it. Crab walk. Kicking crab. I just added that in there. Boom, boom. Keep going. You did it. You did it. High five me. High foot me. Let me get my breath. Let me rest. Yeah. You good? You good? You sure? Was it easy for you? Well, if it's easy for you, Then rewind it and do it over and over and over. And that'll challenge you. Boom, just like that. High intensity interval training. Yeah, I thought I was in good shape. I am, but I can always improve. And this was a workout. I'm gonna sleep really good tonight. So let's get ready to stretch it out and calm our bodies down. Inhale up, exhale out, inhale up, exhale out. Brilliant job, so proud of you. Keep the arms out, good. Give me those celebration fingers. Sending celebration your way because you did an awesome job working out with me today. I appreciate you, I appreciate you. And bring it out, good. Now bring it up and down, up and down, up. You can make your palm face the floor or turn, whichever way you want to do, rotate it, but just move it up and down. One more, each side, and reach all the way out. Good. And give me that triangle. Good, and slowly bring that hand down and give me a lunge. And bring it all the way down. Now you ready for a challenge? Let's go for a split. Let's give it a try today. Bring it all the way out and stretch it. Good. Now you ready? Bring that back leg up and just scoot and scoot it all the way up and stretch. And bring that lunge and bring the leg up and step to the top of the mat and roll all the way up. Exhale down. Inhale all the way up. Good. Exhale down, bring that other leg back and come into that star pose. Celebration fingers and reach all the way over that triangle. Hello. Good. And twist it and bring it down right here into that lunge. Hold it. And let's go for that challenge, the split challenge. Now, if you don't know how to do your split yet, or you're not ready yet and you're working up to it, the way to work up to it is slowly. And this stretch right here is a great way to prepare for it. You don't want to push your body too fast into something because when it's not ready, you can injure yourself. So you want to be very careful. Now bring that back leg, stretch it back as far as you can, and when you're ready, bring it all the way down. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretching and any type of movement should feel good. Challenging sometimes, yes, but not pain. Breathe in, breathe out, and come on down. And come on up. Excellent. Now remember how I did the back leg came up? Well, you can let the front leg come up gently, and you come back into that lunge and bring that back leg up and step carefully and roll all the way up. Brilliant. So let's melt into our mats just a little bit. Let's go on a mind adventure. Melt into the mat and relax. A couple of sighs here. Like ocean breathing. No rush. Relaxation is such an awesome gift to give your body. Then you can relax, refresh, and reset. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, bring both knees to the chest, and roll up to sitting in a peaceful pose. Excellent job. I'm so proud of you. Join me here next time where it's always all about you. Stay amazing. Have a playful and grateful day. Bye. And here's a tip before we go. If you have frozen fruit that you make smoothies with, take frozen fruit, a couple of them, and put it in your water. And what I have here is I have apple slices, I have lemon, lime, and I threw in some of my frozen fruit. I have pineapple, mango, blueberries, strawberries, and also I have celery. So I've got quite a few. I don't know what else I have in there. But anyway, it's really good, and you eat it after you drink it. It's good stuff. Yeah, that tastes good.